Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maz Naturals, and today's video I'm going to show you how I use the Seamoss. I'll tell you what, this Seamoss is so good. I can't tell you enough how it's so brilliant. If you click above, or I'll put it in the description box, you will see how I made the Seamoss gel. And I've been taking it for a while now, and it's so beneficial, it's so good on my skin. I did a face mask, so if you are new to this channel and you're interested in locks, I share a bit of my fitness and skincare, then this is the channel for you. And I thank you for stopping by and clicking on my video. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and I will show you step by step what I've been using the Seamoss and the results that I've got. Stay tuned. So here we have the ingredients for the smoothie: mango, my blueberries, and my spinach. These are the ingredients what I often use to make a smoothie. And of course, my beautiful Seamoss gel. So this spinach I got from the freezer. It's leftover spinach, so I'm using that up first. And then I use my frozen mango, my blueberry. But first I mix the mango and the spinach together with some water. Blend it all up, and voila. Then I add the blueberries and blend those up with a couple of tablespoons of Seamoss. It's to your taste, guys, so I normally use about 2 big tablespoons. The thicker you want it, the more Seamoss gel you need to use, so 2 is plenty enough for me. Blend that all up in my blender, and there you have it, a nice thick creamy smoothie with all those vitamins and minerals in one glass. So I'm going to pour it out into this glass and have a quick taste. And it's so yummy, guys. Seriously, I could go on forever how delicious that this tastes. And the leftovers I will put in the fridge for my children, or I might have it tomorrow. But I only keep smoothieing overnight in the fridge. I don't use it for keep it any longer. So next, it's the face, guys. My face mask. I put a couple of spoonfuls in a little bowl and apply the mask, which is so cold because I've kept the Seamoss obviously in the fridge. So you apply it thickly to your entire face. I'll tell you guys, this felt so amazing. So amazing. I just applied it everywhere, even on my eyelids, and I'm telling you, it feels like your face is being pulled, almost as if you're having like a facelift. And I feel it's just all the nutrients and everything just soaking into your skin and just nourishing it. And also you can apply it to your neck if you so wish. I even applied it to my eyebrows. I don't know if you're supposed to apply it there, but it just felt so good, guys. So you leave it to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. And honestly, it feels so tight. You can see I'm making funny faces, that it's all peeling. So it dries really tight on your face. And it just feels amazing. Honestly, it feels so luxurious. So you just leave it to dry. It's still a little bit damp, but you just leave it for extra if you require. So you can see it's starting to peel the longer I leave it on. And I'm trying to kind of peel it off with my fingers. So after that, you give it, wash off the Seamoss gel. And you can see the glow, guys. Honestly, it's like an immediate glow. And your skin just feels so good. I really encourage you guys to try this. Try for yourself and let me know how it is for you. For me, it was amazing. Honestly, my skin felt so soft. So after I've washed it off, I use my DIY Rosewater and just, you know, take off the rest of any residue mask. And then follow up by my DIY Aloe Vera Moisturizer. This is oh my gosh. All of these ingredients combined together, it's a win-win. And obviously this moisturizer is gentle enough to use as an eye cream as well. So I just tap it under the eyes and you're good to go, guys. I just can't stop touching my face because it just feels so amazing. Trying to get a close-up for you guys to see. And I'm just brushing up my eyebrows. And I just feel so fresh. Amazing. Moving on, this is the time to make the hair gel. So I just use some spring water or filtered water and add about 2 or 3 teaspoons to the boiling pan, followed by about 2 or 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. This is all optional, guys. Whatever oil you want to use it. I added a couple of drops of castor oil, lavender castor oil, and jojoba oil. These are so beneficial for the hair. And apricot oil and a little bit of rosemary essential oils. And basically you just whisk it all together into a paste. Once you've done that, you transfer it into a container. Once it's cooled down, may I add, make sure it's cooled down. Add it into the container and just sieve it, just to make sure it's nice and smooth. Once you've done that, you put it in the refrigerator to set. And this is the Seamoss gel, which is set. It's quite springy. It's not as tacky as I thought it would be, but I'm going to give it a go and see what it's like on the actual hair. But it feels really moisturizing. So there's my Seamoss gel. It's very solid. I'm going to add it to my hairline because I like to keep my hairline well moisturized, because that's the part of my hair what gets really dry. Now, it's not a gel that really sleeks, really sleeks your hair, but it really nourishes the hair follicles. Like, you can see how it's kind of laying down. So it does lay it down a little, but it's not like really strong hold. I think if you want a really strong hold, you should make the gel a little bit thicker in texture, because I felt like this gel was a little bit runny. But if you want a sort of super hold, just make it a little bit thicker. But honestly, I was just applying the gel thinly to my hairline, and it just felt so nourishing, because obviously you've got the castor oil, you've got the apricot oil, and you've got your rosemary oil and coconut oil. All these good oils together, it's just a brilliant combination to hold the moisture in your hair. It's really good. It adds moisture and shine. So I'm putting on my headscarf just to see how it lays. Once I've tied the headscarf, leave it on there for about 5 minutes, and then we remove it and let's see what it looks like. Now surprisingly, it's actually quite sleek, considering I didn't keep this headscarf on that long, but it actually has laid those edges a little bit. But most importantly, it's really moisturized and nourished the hairline, and that's what I like more than anything. At the moment I've got 2-strand twist protective style in my locks, and it's absolutely, oh guys, you just got to try it yourself. Don't take my word for it, try it yourself and let me know what you think. But I think it was brilliant. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching.